Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on this Nissan here. The headlights are really faded, and I've worked on them a couple times, but they always go back to being faded again. I mean, and I put sealants coatings on them, I've sanded them, everything. So today we're going to try a new product out. All right, so today we've got not a new product, I don't think they've had it, but it's a new product to me. It is the Headlight Correction from Diamondite. It's from AutoGeek. So let me open this package up. Let's see what we get inside here. So we've got some gloves. All right. We've got some different steps. Step 1, headlight restoration. Easy to use, restores headlights safe on paint. These are oxidation removers. And step 2 is ceramic headlight clear coat. So they feel like they're just pads in there. Let me read some directions here and get back to you with some of the info, but I just want to show you what this looks like. So you get 4 of these step 1s, and you get 2 of these step 2s, probably 1 for each headlight. So let me read it and I'll get right back to you. All right guys, step 1, I'm just gonna spray some waterless wash, and I'm gonna clean these headlights. I don't know what's on them. So I just want to get them clean. Once I've cleaned them, I'm going to spray it with some Geon prep spray and just make sure that anything in the waterless wash is off there. Now I've flipped my towel already, so it's on the clean side. All right, it's clean. I'm gonna let it dry. I'm gonna do the other one. All right, so let me show you what these look like right before I begin. You can see they've got a lot of haziness. They just look really bad. All right, we've got the step 1 of the Headlight Restore. So all we got to do is open this up. We're gonna take out, it's got a wet towel there. We're gonna wipe this all over. Flip the towel. It says they want you to note the amber stuff, the color on the towel. That means you're doing it successfully. I'm not doing anything very difficult here. I'm just wiping this. Okay, we're done. And if you look at this towel here, it is very nasty. But I will tell you that the headlight looks a lot better. It does have something here, but the rest of it looks fantastic. So we're gonna let this dry. Okay, let's do the other headlight here. Step 1. remove, and wipe. I mean, you could see this taking it off. Let me bring you in here. So you can see this taking it off. So let me show you that. Pretty cool. All right, guys, we've wiped this down with step 1, which basically removes the oxidation, and the headlights, they look a lot better. They are not perfect, but they look a lot better. Now, what I'm wondering is if there's any leftover residual product, do I wipe it off or do I have to wait to let it dry? Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe anything off because I need to get going. Now, this is just step 1 here. So I'm just wiping. Come over to this headlight over here. Let me try to do this one. And I'm just gonna wipe it. It looks great already. The bottoms have something on there, probably from being sanded. I don't know who did that, you know. But let's get on with step 2. All right, step 2 is the clear coat application. So very simple. Once again, and this is very strong smelling. I am outside and it came right out the bag. So you definitely want to work in an open area. Now we're gonna start applying this in layers, and we're trying to overlap by 50%. This is the coating or clear coat, whatever they want to call it. All right, it still has more stuff on there, but we're moving on with this anyway. Interesting. So I probably could have used more of the other product, but it looks fantastic. Wow, this really looks great. Okay guys, well, seeing as this is the step 2 and I still have amber stuff on there, I probably could have done a better job with step 1. But we're moving on. It looks good. We've got the clear coat on there. The headlight looks 95% better. So hopefully this holds up. Now you're only going to use 1 per headlight. You get 2 of these. So let's move on. All right, we're back with step 2. Now if you get this on the paint, you can just take your towel and wipe it. We'll do that after. All right, we're done. We have a little bit of more residue that came off there. And like I said, if you get anything on the paint, you can just wipe around it. All right, we're now done. We've used step one. Basically that wipes and cleans the headlight. Now I would say to use all 4 packets, 2 for each headlight. You know, this is my first time using this, and it looked good after just 1 on each headlight. But go ahead and use the second one to make sure you get all that amber stuff off there. After that dries, you get step 2. Make sure you're using your gloves. This stuff is potent. Do not smell it. Try to work in a well-ventilated area and wipe that onto the headlight, overlapping about 50% each time you go. And that is the clear coat or the coating, and they look fantastic. So you're going to give them 1 hour after application to cure. You don't want any moisture in the air. You don't want to get them wet for an hour. It is hot out here. I'm already sweating. So an hour should be very, very good. They look very, very nice. Now they do have a little bit of fuzz down here, but that is probably from sanding and needing to be sanded finer. But for the rest of the light, looks fantastic. Very, very nice. Very happy and easy product and result. Okay guys, so if you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button. Give me that thumbs up. This is a new product to me for restoring headlights. It's from Diamondite. Now they give you 4 packets of step 1, and then they give you, in here I have the other 2, they give you 2 packets of step 2. So step 1, you put your gloves on. I cleaned the headlights first before I started this. I used a waterless wash, and then I used Geon Prep to just kind of clean any residue that the waterless might leave on there. So once you've got that done, grab your step 1. It is a cleaner wipe, and you wipe the headlight, clean it up really good. Now I only used 1 packet. They give you 4. I used 1 for each headlight. I would suggest you use 2 for each headlight. I do have 2 packets left, and we will try to use these on another car, and we'll put a coating over that one. So anyway, next time, if I had to do this, I would use 2 packets per headlight. So you clean them up real good. They turn this amberish, dirty color, and that means you're doing the process correctly. You're getting off all that old oxidation. It was very simple, very, very easy, guys. I can't believe how easy it was. Once that has been cleaned and dried, now I went over them. I let them air dry a little bit, but then I went over them with the towel to get any of the residue off there. It really doesn't say to do that at all, but I didn't have the time to wait. So then you grab your step 2, which are more packets like this. Make sure you have your gloves on once again. You open up your packet. You only get 1 packet for each headlight in step 2, whereas you get the 4 packets of cleaner in step 1. So step 2, open 1 packet, layer on the coating or the clear coat, whatever's in that package, and you wipe it across the headlight with overlap of 50%. This stuff smells very, very strong, guys. So make sure you either do it outside or you have some type of respirator on there. You definitely don't want to breathe this in. And you wipe it all over, go around the outsides, wipe it on. I try to use all sides of it and use every bit of it. If you get any on your paint, go ahead and wipe around the paint with the towel and you should be good. You give it 1 hour afterward to cure, at least a minimum of an hour before getting it wet or anything, and it's all done. I tell you what, this packet here is $40 on AutoGeek. It was super fast, Super easy. For the DIY person that doesn't want to wet sand or dry sand their headlights and then polish them out and clear cut them out, I would definitely try this first for $40 and see how far you get with it. I don't know how long that will last. Maybe you get a year, maybe you get 3 years. I have no idea. It's my first time using it, but so far for the ease of use and the result, I'd say it's well worth the $40. Fantastic product. I'd like to buy a gallon of just this cleaner, and I'd clean everybody's headlights real quick and easy if I could. Then I could slap my own coating on it afterward or my own protection. But very easy. Go to AutoGeek.net, check them out. They have this kit, Diamondite Headlight Restoration Kit. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me show you the results. We'll talk to you later.